Hey there, Zerner. I'm Miss Laurie. Let's get started with an array. Can you write a multiplication sentence that represents this array? This array shows 5 times 3. Let's add some more rows to our array. Write a multiplication sentence to describe the part that we added. This part shows 2 times 3. That's right. This part shows 5 times 3. This part shows 2 times 3. And the whole entire array shows 7 times 3. Let's write this another way. How many 3's are in 5 times 3? How many 3's are in 2 times 3? How many 3's are in 5 times 3? How many 3's are in 2 times 3?
This array shows 5 3's plus 2 3's.
Yes. How many 3's are there altogether? Seven 3's equals 5 3's plus 2 3's. We're just adding two parts of the array together. See? 7 rows of 3 is the same as 5 rows of 3 plus 2 rows of 3. We already wrote the totals for the two parts of our array. Let's add those to find the total for the whole array. We're solving 7 times 3 by using other multiplication facts to help us. 7 times 3 equals 5 times 3 plus 2 times 3, which equals 15 plus 6, or 21. Put it all together. What is 7 times 3? We'll solve this next one in our notes. Today we're working on Mission 1, Lesson 9. We want to solve 9 times 3. Look at this array. I'll use my finger to trace 10 3's. Notice that 9 3's is really close to 10 3's. Let's label 9 3's to show what we're trying to find. I'll write 9 times 3 equals question mark to show what we are solving for. You try. 9 times 3. Write 9 times 3 equals question mark to show what we need to find on the array. Now let's use the whole array to help us solve this problem. This whole array has 10 rows of 3. Can you write a multiplication sentence to represent that? Find the total of the whole array in your notes now. The whole array has 10 rows of 3. 10 times 3 equals 30. Check your work. This array shows 10 threes. Remember, the problem asks for 9 times 3. Look how 10 threes is just 1 3 away from 9 threes. We can subtract 1 row of 3. How many circles are in this row? Use a multiplication sentence to label this row in your notes. One times 3 equals 3. Check your work. 10 times 3 equals 30, and 1 times 3 equals 3. Now, we just need to subtract to find the value of 9 times 3. Let's record that thinking. 10 threes minus 1 3 equals 9 threes. Write that here. Ten threes minus 1 3 equals 9 threes. Now let's write the number sentence. What does 10 threes equal? What does 1 3 equal? 10 threes equals 30. 1 3 equals 3. Check your work. Let's solve now. What is 30 minus 3? 30 minus 3 equals 27. Let's also write that back here in our array. Check your work, and then do the same. Let's put it all together. 9 times 3 is the same as 10 threes minus 1 3. That's 30 minus 3, or 27. So now answer the original question in your notes. 9 times 3 equals... Nine times 3 equals 27. Check your work. We solved 9 times 3 by starting with an easy fact, 10 times 3, and then subtracting 1 3 from that. We just solved for the number of circles that are in this part of the array. Nice work! Let's try another. We will work with an array that shows 10 times 3 again. This time, let's use it to find the answer to 8 times 3. Help me pick an array that shows 8 times 3. Is it 10 threes minus 2 threes? Or is it 10 threes minus 3 threes? Which array should we use to find 8 times 3? We'll use this array to find 8 times 3. Let's start by finding how many circles are in the whole entire array. There are 10 rows of 3. Complete the multiplication sentence to find the total.
Ten times 3 equals 30.
Yes. Let's label the other part of the array now. How many threes do we need to subtract to get 8 threes? Write a multiplication sentence for the part we're subtracting.
2 times 3 equals 6. We need to subtract 2 3s.
That's right. We can get 8 threes by subtracting 2 threes from 10 threes. Let's write out this thinking now. 10 threes minus what equals 8 threes? Ten threes minus 2 threes equals 8 threes. Let's rewrite this using numbers. 10 threes is 30. What's 2 threes? Answer, then subtract. Ten threes minus 2 threes equals 30 minus 6, which equals 24. So 8 times 3 equals 8 times 3 equals 24. We found this by subtracting with easier facts. 10 threes minus 2 threes. Keep showing that effort in the Tower of Power.